Alright, so we're going to work on a Z fold here, and here's the screen. It's just bare screen, no frame or anything, so it's going to be a quite easy repair, but you first want to make sure you power off the phone, and you just fold it open, power it down, boom, you turn it off. That's how you do it. Anyways, I'm going to heat up the screen a bunch here, 80 degrees Celsius on a heating pad for about 10 minutes, and then the screen will just come off like butter. And I use a metal pry tool here and work my way around. So then I'll open up the screen here, and then we will get off the connection. And please stay tuned to see me take it all the way apart. Let me zoom in. So there's this plastic bracket here holding it down. I get my metal pry tool, pry from the right, from the left there, and then it has a little bracket that holds it. So if you pry from that way, it's going to come off, and then you can pry off the connection. Boom! And then we want to clean up the edges. There's a lot of grime on the side of the phone for this one, so I use a chisel blade and work my way around, and also some air duster and a little bit of a toothbrush just around the edges, so then they're free up any debris so it won't cause the screen to fall off or it to get cracked right away or anything. And I just work my way around, and then we will get the screen connected and test it. And then after we test the screen, we will use some liquid adhesive to hold down the screen and clamp it down with some clamps and clean it up with some alcohol. So we just connect the little Lego connector to the only connection that you can connect it to. Test out the screen before you fully do the replacement and clamp it down with some adhesive. I run a very brief test on it, and I was really certain that the quality of the part I got will work. So I buy premium parts, so I know it's going to work. Anyways, please stay tuned for the rest of the video of me putting it all the way back together. Like and subscribe. Worth it!